Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. We're diving into Morningstar Investor, and let me tell you, this is one of those platforms that people either swear by or have a lot of questions about. You have probably heard the name Morningstar before, as they were once considered the gold standard in investment research, and still are to many. If you've ever wondered, is Morningstar really worth the price tag, and what are they all about? You're not alone. Today, in my Morningstar Investor review, I'm breaking it all down to help you decide if it is right for you. So, I want to start with a little background info. Morningstar's story is actually pretty cool. It all started way back in 1984 with Joe Mansueto, who was just 27 at the time. Picture this. He's working out of his Chicago apartment with a simple mission to give everyday investors like us the same access to high-quality investment research that the pros get. I respect that kind of vision. Fast forward to today, and Morningstar has grown into a global operation with over 12,000 employees in 32 countries, analyzing more than 620,000 investments. Any company that has been around for that long and grown so much has to be doing something right. One of the things that really stands out about Morningstar as a company is the sheer scope of what they offer. I mean, when you're this big, 12,000 employees, 32 countries, over 620,000 investments analyzed, you're bound to have a lot going on. And they do. Morningstar isn't just about investment research. They've got a whole suite of brands catering to different needs in the financial world. For example, there's Morningstar Data plus Analytics, which powers financial professionals with deep market insights. Then there's Morningstar Wealth for portfolio management, Morningstar ESG for those of you interested in socially responsible investing, and Morningstar Retirement to help people plan for their golden years. They even have Morningstar Credit and Morningstar Indexes, which serve more specialized niches. But today, I'm going to focus on Morningstar Investor because this is the product that most of us, everyday retail investors, will turn to when we're looking for an edge in the market. It's their flagship platform for individuals, and it's packed with tools and resources designed to help you make smarter investment decisions. Let's take a closer look. Now, let's get into the features that make Morningstar Investor a standout tool for retail investors like us. One of the first things I noticed when using it is how much thought they've put into making complex data easy to understand. Let's start with their star rating system. I think this is probably one of the most well-known tools in the investment world, and for good reason. If you follow financial news, you might have heard analysts reference the Morningstar rating and wondered what it was. Morningstar assigns ratings to mutual funds, ETFs, and even some stocks based on their risk-adjusted historical returns. It's a quick visual way to gauge the quality of an investment. I love this feature because it gives me a solid starting point when I'm researching a fund or ETF. It's like having a second opinion from a reliable expert. If you're like me and love narrowing down your investment options, you'll appreciate Morningstar's screeners. They let you filter stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds based on almost any criteria you can think of: expense ratio, market cap, performance, sector exposure, you name it. You can even filter based on the star rating system I mentioned. It's a huge time saver when looking for new investment options. Next, I want to talk about the Portfolio X-ray tool. Imagine being able to peel back the layers of your portfolio to see exactly what's inside, down to the individual stocks or sectors within your mutual funds or ETFs. It's incredibly helpful for spotting overlap or areas where you might be overexposed. If you haven't used it or a similar tool to get a better understanding of your portfolio, you are missing out. Another standout feature I must mention are the analyst reports. These aren't just surface-level summaries. They're deep dives into individual stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. The reports give you insights into an asset's strengths, risks, and future potential, all written by independent analysts. I've used these reports to make some of my most confident investment decisions. And let's not forget the educational resources. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been investing for years, there's something here for everyone. From webinars to investing guides, they cover everything from portfolio strategies to retirement planning. Personally, I think their ability to simplify complex financial topics is what makes them so valuable. Now, I want to talk pricing. The annual subscription for Morningstar Investor is priced at $249 per year, or you can go month to month for $34.95. When compared to other similar stock research services, this cost is reasonable. It isn't particularly high or low, but I have good news: you're in luck because there's a discount available. Using the exclusive code MM50, you can knock $50 off the annual price, bringing it down to $199 for your first year. And if you're a student with a valid .edu email, the savings are even better, just $25 for the entire year. Honestly, for the level of tools and insights you're getting, I think that's a fantastic deal. I have to note, this discount is subject to change, so check the link in the description to see if they are still offering the discount I just mentioned. Oh, and I almost forgot. They offer a 7-day free trial. This is your chance to explore everything the platform has to offer without spending a dime. For me, any company that stands by its product with a free trial earns extra points. So, is Morningstar Investor worth it? In my opinion, if you are a long-term investor who loves diving into data and making informed decisions based on a reliable source, it is a solid choice. The Portfolio X-ray tool alone is worth the subscription, and when you add in the trusted star rating system, detailed analyst reports, and powerful screeners, you've got everything you need to build a solid portfolio. That said, Morningstar Investor is best for those who are into fundamental, long-term investing. If you're more of a day trader or someone looking for quick stock picks, there might be other platforms better suited to your needs. But if you're in it for the long haul and want to optimize your portfolio, Morningstar is great for your needs. If you're ready to elevate your investment game, start with their 7-day free trial to see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget to use code MM50 to snag that discount. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.